Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus Nord 5 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So let's start with opening your contact list, find the contact which you'd like to block and tap on it, and then scroll down to find this option, block numbers. Let's tap. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number. So just tap on block if you're ready. And as you can see, this option will change. Moreover, here we've got this characteristic icon, which means that the number has been blocked successfully. Of course, you can unblock it the same way here, but let me leave it like this. We will check whether it will appear on the blacklist. So to open the blacklist, we have to go back to the contacts or recents or favorites. It doesn't matter. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on the settings. Here we have to tap on blocked numbers, and that's our blacklist, and this is the number we blocked from our contacts. So as you can see, the previous option also works. Here we can also tap on add a phone number, and here we've got the area in which we can enter it. So enter it and tap on block and it will be immediately applied. We've got also this option unknown, and we can turn it on and off just by using the switcher, thanks to which we can block the calls from all unidentified callers. And to unblock the number, just tap on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.